-4 waktu itu. Dan mereka berani ambil kesempatan.
Lord set in their eyes.
Slowly but surely utilizing the resources depleted by Evo's Glory, and now it's a free Lord to the Geeks. See Halberd for Ray now. And my god, the layering of...
Take down a boy. I get why he did it, but if there were other members of EVOS there to help him out, to help him get out much quicker, that would have been great. But it ended up becoming Baksha going down early. That ruined the majority of the early. We're super early with the resolutions in Turtle 1. Then it was Clockwood, the Valentina that got the last hit on Turtle 1. After that, it was just all EVOS playing their comfort game, which is around the objectives.
In the Ling in the mid game with that faster clear compared to the Fredrin to get a massive lead, and that was really what enabled Ray to find these crazy moments in these team fights. Then again, also get that triple kill. Definitely a highlight in the
skirmishes. I feel like they're just playing it safe because they know Geek Fam do have that tool as well. But Chadera!
Oh, Annabelle, sneaky one! They thought Annabelle would be around the turtle, but he went... What?
Annabelle!
The shortcuts!
If this continues, this is a tough road for Geek Fam for sure. But for Evo's Glory, the momentum is certainly on their side. I don't know if you guys can hear it. You guys probably can from our mics, but the crowd, the Evo's fam.
Yang siap gendong semua audiens sih.
Apakah kamu siap?
Siap.
Namanya siapa?
Taki.
Taki. Taki asalnya mana?
Dari Palembang.
Jauh-jauh dari Palembang.
Outside of the box, if they want to survive the siege.
The wave clear from Geek Fam isn't the best. The siege potential though from EVOS is a looming threat. And this
has two base turrets standing.
How has Geek Fam withstood two Evolved Lords this composition? They don't have wave clear. Their wave clear is nowhere near, not even close to Evo's. And once again, looking down, we have to take a look at the emblems currently for both these teams. For EVOS, it's more or less just the natural items you would go for. Same thing for Geek Fam, nothing too special. We'll see the sub-emblems here, and this time around, Brands will actually go for...
Main dengan heavy CC, itu kuat banget. Tigreal dan Mino langsung ditutup.
Dan ini banyak banget loh, hero CC yang di-ban oleh Geek Fam. Mereka sepertinya menyadari bahwa kemarin EVOS Glory ini mainnya heavy CC composition. Benar-benar main semuanya knock up ke atas, mereka punya CC, ada slow-nya.
Kesempatan ini buat buktiin kalau mereka itu bisa lah untuk menjadi player internasional. Dan gue sangat bangga lah, terutama Valdo Edo. Tos dulu. Dan buat manajer kita, Brigel dan Textam, dan Mas Auva.
First, we do it! See Voloisky though, in a tough situation. Oh my goodness, good cancel, good delay. Fluffy will not find the kill. Annabelle on the backside doing the work as well. EVOS Glory, they know that they will not have enough resource in that
there. They didn't want to go for the turtle because they have an overwhelming advantage in the neutral objectives. But what Evos have is a very mobile, fast-clearing jungler. So they want to deny that off of him, that clear speed. But it has only given Evos a chance.
So they go ahead and pick up the friend. Oh, but it is the YZ that they're going to pick up now.
I have a feeling they're backing on this Moskov because this Moskov has been banned for like, I don't know, a few games. And Brands hasn't been able to get his hands on this. But is it worth it to relinquish?
Swams benar-benar gak henti-hentinya untuk menyerukan yel-yel. Begitu pula dengan Geek Community. Namun, nggak hanya di sini keramaian karena GoPay juga mengadakan nobar di 4 kota besar. Betul sekali. Dari MPL Indonesia Season 13 kali ini. Dan tadi Nevin juga sudah menjelaskan ya banyak sekali ternyata nobar-nobar. Bukan cuma sekadar nobar karena banyak juga hadiah-hadiah menarik kalau ikutan aktivitas-aktivitas dari GoPay nobar.
He's been in the Galaxy Zone.
Yeah, dude, privilege.
Oh wait, you were there when I was denied in the Galaxy Zone and you did nothing! Nothing!
We were gatekeeping, Reptar?
Gatekeeping. But talking about gatekeeping, we will go back to the game.
And that is all for that first new take.
That looked scary. Luke was in that pit, but a clutch Minuan Fury from Dreams was able to just stomp them up, knock them up and down, and EVOS get that first blood.
Wanted to delay more than they were actually looking for the turtle.
You'd usually pick up a Mathilda Barats against a Ling to disrupt that, you know, resource that he has. They doesn't seem like they have that extra.
Beloyski, let me take a look at his items. Looks like he's on the way to a Melting Roar. And Geek Fam have gotten back the lead that they lost. But still, this is still Geek Fam's window of opportunity to utilize. This is still their
Samsung Galaxy S24 series semua bisa teratasi.
Betul sekali. Namun yang akan melanjutkan harus dan mengatasi semua problematika di dalam Land of Dawn adalah kedua tim ini di final lower bracket.
Tapi gimana nih ngeliat ini EVOS, wah EVOS fans begitu luar biasa. Perjuangan dari EVOS kalau di regular season mungkin ini sempat diragukan, tetapi ternyata sekarang udah ada di top 3.
They respond towards EVOS's aggression.
Well, it's back again to that forcing of slow tempo, but it's tough for Geek Fam, because the thing is, even if they try to force that forced tempo, they go and clear out these side lanes, they give Chidera this in the game. The Fluffy's Masha went for the 2 BOD straight away after the Heptaseas, and that means, you have a lot of damage, but the frontliner is a big no-no. You just don't want to go up against the frontliners, and the thing is, in that game especially, the frontliners will always...
All in.
Oh ya, aku ngeliat bagaimana item dari Dreams juga ya. Ada Athena Shield, dia memang cukup respect. Untuk damage mungkin dari Loi, dari Aboy. Tapi untuk sisanya yang lain di sini masih butuh item defense untuk Dreams. Ini Ruby. Bukan hero tank yang memang tebal. Atau...
Artinya apa artinya?
Saudara kita semua.
Halo saudara kita
semua. Danang mau balas pakai bahasa apa nih?
Nggak ada sih, saya lahir di Jakarta soalnya.
Diversion. Wow! Just to escape.
What is this?
What is this game?
Tadi saya ngapain apa ya bentuk baik mah.
They will not go down without a fight.
Scooting in and out. It's just back and forth. This is a game.
Okay. I can breathe. That's how you create suspense, I guess. Shout out to the production for finding ways to even make the draft suspenseful. We gotta guess.
Oh, there's a lot of presence from Geek Fam. A lot of
perwakilan Malaysia yang hampir nggak pernah absen dari Todak. Jadi memang rivalitasnya sangat ketat. But, I want to ask you, serius, kesini kita lihat story-story Todak kayaknya selain
much discipline. EVOS, they are not responding to this Lord call. Annabelle still up top. So they're farming towards their items, but this is already the 17th minute, so they need an answer now.
But there's a Helker. It's kind of like Geek Fam were like, yeah, go for it again. You did so well last game, why not, right? So it's a bit of a bluff here from Geek Fam. They want EVOS to go for that pick. What other pick would be a safer choice? Oh, it's Geek Blue side. God.
Well,
They left the Helker open?
Yeah.
Ha!
Get the vision roam. They're gonna need a really tanky presence in the EXP lane. Rizla might be good, but
Oh, he called it!
no.
The way to push towards them, I feel like Annabelle is waiting for the top side to come in and he'll clear it out. He bounces the minions and then he will go, but this Lord fully in the court of Geek Fam, they're just luring EVOS inside.
Vendor langsung dikeluarkan, akankah mereka berhasil mendapatkan Karaboy, tapi ternyata untuk kali ini bala bantuan langsung hadir. Reynya tertinggal di bagian belakang, tapi untungnya masih bisa bergabung lagi bersama dengan rekan-rekannya, dan Baloy tertembak lagi. Aboy mau nggak mau Aboy.
Geek Community siap. Coba Geek Community, mana semangatnya? Woo! EVOS Fabs, mana suaranya?
Of Geek Fam, they were just dictating the whole game towards EVOS. EVOS were not given a chance to engage with that Tigreal, always playing so defensively. This is looking bleak for EVOS.
2-1 match.
Tenang aja, tenang. Biar bisa fokus sama Bude dan Fonzi, ada caranya. Ini Samsung Monique, Samsung Galaxy.
Lupa, ini kan Samsung Galaxy S24 series ya.
Tolong pegangin mic-nya bentar.
Coba, kita tunjukin nih.
Ya,
Langsung diambil juga.
Ruby memang bisa pegang dan ini juga adalah salah satu bentuk untuk deny pick. Jangan sampai Ruby-nya jatuh ke tangan Geek karena itu cukup flex kalau memang dipakai oleh mereka.
Oke, dan gue juga mungkin berfokus terhadap dari masing-masing jungler mereka.
The Bloodwing, so he's extremely difficult to kill. Knowing a boy's positioning and spacing as well, EVOS have not been able to touch him.
Oh, this Loi again, just looming from the shadows, becoming the real demon.
Levels ahead of Annabelle, and as we get to the mid game, he's going to be clearing much faster, and he's always going to be soaking in these minion waves in the side lane as well. So for the third turtle, he is online. He is 2 levels ahead earlier, not only that burst, and it's the Winter Truncheon. You stay frozen, you hope, you pray for the team to peel for you. And even Fluffy had to go for the Winter Truncheon. Oh, this was just this was a stop in game one. I really hope Evil's Glory are able to adapt to the Divine Judgment, to utilize it completely. So the Minotaur definitely seems to be the best option to give an advantage towards the Fredrin. I think the Ruby would have been great too as a flex pick, but now Edith, Minotaur, Grok.
Teman-teman, tahu nggak besok hari apa? Hari Minggu. Hari Minggu. Grand Final bos besok.
Oh,
iya kan? Ya benar hari Minggu sih. Iya benar. Dan buat teman-teman, misalkan yang bingung, aduh gimana ya, pengen nonton Grand Final tapi kok nggak punya tiketnya. Tenang aja.
All the signature picks almost for Geek Fam up.
We talked about EVOS also having this sort of wide hero pool that kind of makes Geek Fam question their prio bans. What are they going to ban out? But now it comes to Honda's #7 to lower bracket finals. Surely this is easy, but Dreams!
Again, that's info. No flicker for Dreams means no threat of that flicker implosion. Now EVOS Glory, they're desperate, looking for an angle. Looking for...
Season 13 untuk tim Geek Fam. Ini adalah one last bow dari tim Geek Fam. The King Slayer. Tim yang begitu kita kenang dengan
Play a give and go game. You want him to come in, look for a kick, get out. So yeah, kiting type of choke. And now the Lord, the hands of Geek Fam, will they play this slowly again?
Look at the composition now. They lack a whole lot of CC, right? The X-Borg, no CC. It's Dreams and Clocken. That's the two CCs, and it's not even like big game-changing CCs that they've been able to utilize on the Minotaur, the Tig, the Edith, Master Assassin still for Chidera and Brands.
They want to seek out later on in the bans.
Honestly, for EVOS, number one, you're gonna have to take away the... Okay, funny, I was just about to say, take away the prio picks, but they literally took away the Harrow chip and the Hellcurt, so yeah, but I feel like at this point...
Don't worry, we'll get some more S24s. We got two in front of us.
I'm crying.
Even Gani's on the A series, so hey, shout outs to Gani.
I've been on Samsung since...
Wow.
You're a Samsung loyalist, Gani.
Exactly.
That's why you've always...
He made that Loyi look like a power pick, and now he made this Valentina with defensive item priorities as a power pick.
This has to be a power pick for him, though, because the Valentina has been one of the shining heroes for him in the regular season. And towards the end, he did get that...
Re-engage with the draft that they have. But of course, for the people coming into the Velodrome, especially when we have Reptar over the desk, he can, of course, enjoy the benefits of GoPay with the new GoPay app.
Depok nih sebagai rangkaian juga dari GoPay Arena Community Championship untuk rangkaian terakhir setelah 1 bulan kemarin kita udah jalan-jalan ke Bandung, terus kita udah ke Surabaya, dan ke Yogyakarta juga. Hari ini kita ada di Bento Kop.
That you have a great opening, especially when you also have Beloyski with the Minotaur. That, knock-ups will be insane for EVOS to handle.
I thought it was already annoying earlier in game number 1 without the as fast as possible. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is with Annabelle. Maybe the pressure is getting to him. He's feeling the jitters all over again, just like when he debuted. Bottom lane.
No, Shenpo. Oh my goodness. With the shortcut, 5 members, 4 members at top 4v2. Chidera, Beloyski trying to buy time, but Claw will secure it. Beloyski caught, has the immortality. Flicker as well. But EVOS Glory just jumps on him like he's nothing. Chidera and a boy will run down. Brad with shut down. Will not get more though. 2-4-1 still in favor for.
You have to be careful because EVOS still has this Moskov slow
emblems again, man, because that inspired for the Fredrin early on. Try to level the farming speed, I would say, of Ling on, or Ray on that Ling. And Minotaur early on with the firmness and the tenacity, he just wanted to tank up so much of the damage output.
That actually will be taken out as well. Ray retreats. EVOS Glory still stands with 4 from downtown. Claw, merciless.
A snipe from lose their base turret, but now it's even. Geek Fam lost theirs as well.
They waited for an opportunity that will open, that will show itself, and they take it. EVOS Glory have managed the waves. You can see Annabelle, I guess it does synergize with their composition. That's another fast clearing jungler. But now Geek Fam, they can go for that Grok that can invade early on. Look for that initial start of the game. They go for the Minotaur and
sprint it down bottom, but it's all, of course, due to the fact that they have the shortcut and he was keeping it for that clutch moment to win the turtle battle, and now up 4-0 in the kills department. Now Geek Fam
who's to get out of the Terrifying, to get out of the KP, the kill pressure that the Hellcurt gives over to them. If you have someone like a Cho, technically you can pop these Purifies quite easily. And then it'll enable Beloyski on that Hell.
No ball damage though, but the Shunpo, wow, well timed.
So with that trade, it's worth it, right? You lose utility jungler, you still get the Roger, that turtle, and the Hellcurt survivor on the team. It was a team effort, but my goodness gracious, how did they do it?
They flipped the coin at the same time. Geek Fam saw one play, one chance to take
From Luke as well, for Luke. The Anti-Chorus rush as well, though. Look at that for Ray. Same build path that he went for in the previous game. He goes to Athena Shield last game, right after the
Flicker, I'm offended!
Going back to my point, the #1 enemy of the Moskov is spacing. And it's so easy to space up against a Moskov, very short range. And Geek Fam were able to do that, by the way, in that team fight. I hope we get the replay. But Luke, Deton is welcome. Sure myself, if he wants to take that gamble, there you go. Brands with the nature. Slowly but surely, Evos are getting to their item power spikes. And Geek Fam, they go for one play.
Good Jet Kundo, we have Dragon. Dreams though is ready to cover, but Fluffy is still off. Oh, good Purify. Dreams is there. But again, just one kill divides them.
Slowly but surely, right? Nolan. The strengths of the Nolan is you clear super fast. You want to get that lead.
Final!
Non-stop noise. It was non-stop cheering because they knew that they had the momentum. Geek Fam completely lost it.
Wow. But of course, going to our MVP by Sam.
But if you get bursted down, it's a done deal. In the early game as well, very easy for Evos to maybe try to look for a snowball. I think for Geek Fam, you know, something that has been left open, that was banned in game #1 was the Kaja. We were talking about how that...
Ini kan sangat-sangat rapat, selalu hadir di live saya. Mungkin sebab itu, ya, voting for you, Evos.
Yes, karena dari fansnya juga, dari komunitas EVOS-nya, mereka mendukung EVOS. But is there anything you want to...
Lord won.
Well, it was all just calculated for Geek Fam. And I feel like there's a contrast difference between the Masha of Geek Fams and the Masha of EVOS. Was it all down to just rise low? And this could be the angle for EVOS to shove the wave inside and knock to the gates of hell, closing it once and for all. But I feel like this isn't the end yet. Wow. We are going the extra mile.
Practical Fusion Science and the DHS Golden Staff very, very soon. Clockon as well. Lightning Truncheon down. Done. He has the Enchanted Talisman. And that's another plus point for him. Winter Truncheon, third item. So even if Beloyski is able...
Atau dari item yang sudah diport oleh Geek Fam ini, kedua EXP dan goldnya ini sudah lebih daripada cukup tadi.
Perbedaan goldnya aja sudah hampir memasuki di angka 6.000 gold. EVOS, mereka harus mencari solusi lain, mirroring kah? Atau mungkin memang kontes pick off.
Boy harus pulang.
Masih kekurangan damage terlihatnya, Om.
Masih belum cukup juga. Dan looknya hanya menjadi scouter aja, melihat sekeliling. Karena dia tidak akan menggunakan apapun juga, kecuali dari wild power dia untuk menambahkan.
Timnya berada di posisi yang minus seperti regular season itu. Gimana sih respon dari fans?
Sebagai fans, kita terus optimis terus. Kita yakin kalau mereka pasti bisa.
They might take the base spirit. They will. Brands all over again. Will this be enough? Brands, no blazing Luez looking for the gear. Does not find the catch.
No minions.
No
Control the spacing in terms of the backline and the front line, and they're able to zone out Dreams to activate his implosion. So they need a second option, they need a second plan. And that could come from Anafel with the Spear of Alpha, but he's just not finding the angles. He's playing from...
Ya saling ingetin satu sama lain sih, kayak dari player ke player lain, langsung comms aja. Kalem-kalem, lebih tenang lagi, reset kayak gitu.
Dan ngomongin
ngomongin MSC, ini 2 kali berturut-turut ya MSC 2023, MSC.
Jadi fans EVOS dari lama ya katanya ya?
Betul, betul.
Dari kapan tuh kalau boleh tahu?
Dari zaman Legend, World.
Waduh.
One, Aura, Rek, Luminaire, Danki, semuanya keren. Itu yang bikin saya suka EVOS.
Super fans yang ada.
Betul sekali, Super memberikan semangat, tapi tentunya ada juga yang datang jauh-jauh dari Malaysia untuk sama-sama menyaksikan FPL Indonesia Season 13 Playoff hari ini. Selamat datang, ada
match point in their eyes.
He didn't make a deal with the devil. It seems he is the devil. What was that? Raptor.
He is the devil himself. Big evil, Geek Fam with the big D. Big.
In his arsenal, Luke.
Purify Wave Dragon though. Somehow tickles Clockun there in the mid.
Purify.
That will be all.
Yep, that's a good Purify bait though, right? Now Clockun will have to be very, very careful. Without a Purify,
That was a situation where, as casters, we would talk about that for EVOS Glory, their best chance is to make the most out of a Geek Fam mistake. And we thought it would never come again. The discipline that brought them into that massive lead that they had came from the fact that they knew they had 2. Now, will that be a minnow ban, or will EVOS be happy with giving it to Geek Fam because they have the Valentina?
I love the fact that they're banning also for Geek Fam 2 of these fast clearing jungles.
Yeah.
Geek Fam definitely want to use that as an advantage up against EVOS.
Soul out, gak ada udah kesempatan. Meleng dikit, kepleset dikit. Selesai.
Itu dia.
Selesai itu tiket.
Selesai tiketnya kan. Dan itu yang mau dibagikan 10 men.
10 lumayan.
Iya nggak sih? Tapi kalau ngomongin Grand Final ya.
So Geek Fam, and now that Ruby will go into the second phase to confuse EVO's Glory. That's been one of the ways that they've been able to outdraft a lot of their opponents in the playoffs.
Talking about trading power picks, but it feels like now they're switching the power.
Yang sempurna. Mereka bisa bertahan. Mereka tidak menyerah. Bahkan dengan Lord yang sudah evolve, mereka masih mendapatkan celah dan bisa membalikan.
Really just, was in the shoulders of EVOS Glory. But of course, the ticket to Riyadh still floating between those two. But we'll take it to the stage for an interview.
Untuk penggunaan dari Nathan itu sendiri yang masih ada, atau bahkan Kari untuk penghancur tank.
Introducing my buddy.
Kari ya.
That's Mara.
Tapi pilihannya masih ada di Cloudera. Untuk sebenarnya kalau dari regular season, win rate dari Cloudnya juga lumayan oke.
Because if you continue to stay this way, I think it might just be game 1 for Geek.
This diversion in and of itself is a huge, constant, looming threat for EVOS Glory. Having to seek out all of the things happening, and
Sebenarnya udah tahu sih beberapa jalan pintasnya ya. Tapi karena ini ngikutin alur tracknya, jadi kita harus ngikutin gitu.
Wow, dan ini Taki udah 2 lap, Danang masih ketinggalan. Dan
Try to hold the line.
Flip the coin, you get Mr. Fantastic, and Chidera!
Oh, blazing the wax, Black Dragon form invested as a defense. And with that, Geek again looking to restabilize. What a...
No, bahasa Indonesia mah surang.
Constantly up top, that has built up a slow push towards Geek Fam. So in that skirmish, they were able to find the far lane. Now it's up to Ray, Chadera, and a boy to save this game.
They're man down though. Still, EVOS Glory taking their time.
ditahan lama objeknya. Kita tahan lama. Kita tahan lama. Geek Fam telah memberikan pertarungan yang begitu nanti. Wah, ini pokoknya keren banget ya kalau ngomongin Samsung S24 series. Soalnya fotonya tuh udah keren. Tapi memang kalau mungkin biar bisa lebih fokus lagi ke objek utamanya, pemeran utamanya bintang.
With EVOS having such a big lead at the start, and the forced error was just so, oh my God, that was a nerdgasm for sure from Mirko, man. I was already like shaking my head during that play because it was just so good. They knew that they had a teleport.
Number 3, Geek Fam against EVOS Glory.
Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, Land of Dawn. Here we go to see and witness game numero 3.
The battle for match point. And damage too with Chadera. And Evo's Glory, they waited. They just stayed. They just waited. And Geek Fam, the greed came back up.
Took over way too much.
For the Moskov brands, he's even sold his boots for the Haas Claw. So at this point, it's all in or nothing for Evo's Glory. This might be the final Lord of the game, but it's a 17-minute Lord. Technically, Evo's Glory can
Tapi gimana sih mungkin bisa melihat langsung para playernya, para super fans dengan genderungnya, lalu ketemu mungkin talent-talent juga kah? BA.
Iya, seru semuanya.
Say for the last word from Kodak.
Bagi saya, kedua-dua tim sebenarnya memberikan persembahan yang sangat bagus, menunjukkan mereka mempunyai pengalaman yang sangat luas, dan sebelum ni kami sendiri pernah menyaksikan kehebatan mereka berada.
Game, they're so ahead. It's okay for them to look for random brawls. As long as they still have that advantage with the Lord early in the bottom lane, they knew if they traded equally, they would still get a lot of value, more value than Evo's Glory for sure. And at this point, could come through as the roamer, but they decide to hide that. Okay, a little bit of a curveball. Yu Zhong pick early.
Yeah, both teams don't really have a natural engager yet. You know, the Ruby.
Pecah. Dan begitulah pula, pecah. Untuk kemenangan dari Evo terus-menerus yang benar-benar meyakinkan. Dan mari kita terus-menerus.
And played really well to the point where they controlled majority of that game coming from the red side. Majority of the series, blue side has almost dominated an entire game. So if ever it's still blue side EVOS,
It might just be the final siege.
See, no base hurts, flicker. What the heck happened backside? Dreams, good night to Fluffy Balls as well. Chadera will be the trade of the base. They're exposed. Now they are going for it. And
maybe game number 3, they don't let the chip open. But so far, actually a good topic, I think, to ask Renmar, because in MPLPH as well, blue side was 100% win rate for the first 2 days.
Yeah.
But then towards the end, red side.
Bude ya ketemu, udah sering ketemu sama Fonzi, tapi hari ini Fonzi begitu memukau.
Loh.
Bude mau pamer nih.
Pamer apa, Bude?
Tadi Bude foto sama Fonzi.
Coba deh kita lihat.
Where they came outside of the map, teleported in with that diversion. Oh, it was well played for Geek Fam. And just like we said in the early game with the Master Assassin, they just completely gave Claude, Chadera, the way to play that weak side in the gold lane. Klokun, I think at this point, yeah, I'm looking back, he has a winner Truncheon. That is the way to try to beat this Masha. When Luke tries to go in with a Thunderclap, you win her Truncheon. You try to wait for the other members in your team to melt him down and to force him back. But even then...
bermain di MPL Malaysia juga. Jadi itu tujuan kami di sini.
Wow, Bude, ini gak salah denger ya. Jadi ternyata mau scouting lagi ngelirik pemain-pemain player MPL Indonesia mau dibawa sama
With the changes to the Fracture, you don't have any CC immune abilities anymore. You can't get out of these lockdowns. So it's going to be very nice for the Cho. Oh, Chadera even gets out here. A shortcut wasted. Oh, you go for these big, clean deny picks. But speaking of clean, we got this new Samsung Galaxy S24 series to flex on you guys real quick. And if you guys want to get it yourselves, you guys can find it on the website. I think Realize has more.
Tapi pemain gak kena, malah digaruk untuk sekarang. Dreams yang berhasil dihancurkan, tapi malah strateginya menghilang pula. Tapi Brans menjadi salah satu bayaran yang harus mereka lakukan karena Brans yang berhasil tertangkap.
3 ditukar dengan
Demons consume them, the villains not stopping their terrors. But it's all down to EVOS. This is their game to lose.
So for Klokun, yeah, it was too risky, too big of a gap.
Namun jauh-jauh dari Palembang ke sini, apakah kamu mendukung salah satu tim atau ingin merasakan panggung MPL?
Yang pertama pasti ingin merasakan, terus yang kedua dukung salah satu tim ya.
Pesky when I want to play and my phone starts, to heat up. That really sucks. And of course, What's more, it features Galaxy AI that can now translate 16 foreign languages into...
With the addition of that